I'm going to read News to You, May 25th, 2020 edition. 2020 graduation ceremonies. The 2019 to 2020 school year is ending in the U.S. Seniors in high schools and colleges are graduating. Seniors graduate from schools after they have completed all their schoolwork. Most students graduate after spending 4 years at high schools or colleges. Many schools celebrate graduating seniors by having graduation ceremonies. Graduation ceremonies are usually in May or June each year. Graduation ceremonies will be different for many schools in 2020. Many school buildings have been closed because of the coronavirus. Many seniors have worked hard to complete their schoolwork online to finish the school year. Page 2. Schools want to celebrate the seniors' hard work. Usually at graduation ceremonies, students, teachers, and the families and friends of seniors gather to celebrate. People cannot currently gather because of the coronavirus, so schools are finding other ways to celebrate seniors. Some schools are having ceremonies online. For these ceremonies, seniors put on traditional caps and gowns. They can join special video calls and see other seniors from their school. Seniors can hear school leaders announce all their names. They can hear some seniors give speeches. Some schools are delaying ceremonies too. They are hoping seniors can celebrate together during ceremonies later in the summer. Page 3. Graduation ceremonies usually have speakers who give special speeches called commencement speeches. These speakers are often city leaders, authors, athletes, and more. Many speakers give speeches about what they did after graduation or what the seniors might do in their futures. This year, some famous people wanted to celebrate seniors in a special way. They recorded commencement speeches for seniors across the U.S. to listen to. They put the speeches onto a podcast called Commencement Speeches for the Class of 2020. The famous people include talk show host Jimmy Fallon, singer John Legend, soccer player Amy Wambach, and journalist Katie Couric. Page 4. Graduating is exciting for seniors. Many cities are helping seniors celebrate. Some cities are having car parades. Seniors drive cars through their cities and people stand in their yards and cheer. In some cities, teachers are driving by the seniors' homes to cheer for them. Some schools are putting signs into seniors' yards to congratulate them. Many seniors are graduating this year. Seniors have different plans after graduation. Some seniors may move to new places or cities. Some seniors may go to new schools or start new jobs. Graduation ceremonies may be different in 2020, but schools still want to celebrate seniors. Congratulations, seniors. Page 5, the review page. Question 1. What is the main idea of this story? Seniors have different plans after graduation. Some schools are having graduation ceremonies online, or graduation ceremonies are different for seniors in 2020. Please pause the video and discuss your answer. The main idea of this story is that graduation ceremonies are different for seniors in 2020. Question number 2. Circle true or false about the following statements. All schools are having graduation ceremonies later this summer. Many school buildings are closed because of the coronavirus, and graduation ceremonies are usually in October. Please pause the video and discuss. Okay, we'll start with the first one. All schools are having graduation ceremonies later this summer. That is false. Many school buildings have closed because of the coronavirus. That is true. And graduation ceremonies are usually in October. That is false. The article said they're usually in May or June. Question 3. Answer these questions about the story. Who are graduating from schools? And what did famous people put speeches onto? Please pause the video and discuss. Okay, who are graduating from schools? The article said that the seniors in high school and college are graduating from schools. And what did famous people put speeches on? They recorded speeches and put them onto a podcast, and that podcast is called Commencement Speeches for the Class of 2020. Question 4. Number these events in the order they happen. A student starts high school, a student graduates from high school, and a student completes all their schoolwork. Please pause the video and discuss the order. Okay, the first one that would happen is the student would start high school. The second thing that would happen is that the student would complete all of the schoolwork. And finally, the third thing is that the student would graduate from high school. And finally, question 5, which is the last question for this page. Circle fact or opinion about the following statements. Most students graduate after 4 years at high school, and graduation ceremonies usually have speakers. Please pause the video. All right. Most students graduate after 4 years at high school. That is a fact. And graduation ceremonies usually have speakers. That is also a fact. Let's go to page 6. I will read page 6, and then you can discuss the answers with someone in the room. Number 1 is, when will you graduate? 2, what would you like to do after you graduate and why? 3, how do you think seniors feel when they graduate? Why? And finally, 4, how was school different for you this year? Thank you very much for listening. Bye.